Apart from the product itself, the customer service when working with Dynaco is extremely helpful for us. Our dedicated sales manager is always available whenever we need her on questions or anything else. It's actually very easy for us to calculate the price of a door. The Hive calculator is made very professionally and easy, straightforward to use. It is not a time-consuming configurator, it's very smooth to work with, and all technical details are there whenever you need to find them.
The quality of the door is very good and easy to install and nice to work with.
The lead time of the door is respected, so we could plan the installation as promised to our customer.
We are very happy with the sectional doors. For the entrance to our new showroom, we were looking for a product that is both high in quality and that also looks very beautiful, so we're very happy with the result. Sectional doors have a very long lifetime, so we are reassured that we can use them for a very long time.
Dynaco also has a great technical support. If something does go wrong, it's easy to order spare parts online 24/7.